Hello everybody, my name is Matthew, and today I got the Black Diamond 2017-18 hockey box, one of the rarest, and sees from scratch because I'm opening up the package.
Be careful, buddy.
Can't open it. It's open.
Use the other side.
Sorry. Here it is. Here's the 2017-18 Exquisite. And right below it is the five cards. Pretty heavy, really heavy.
Wow.
So I'm gonna open up the Exquisite pack. We got a Joe Ho-Sang Exquisite 35/66. New York Islanders. I'm really happy about that. Now we're gonna open up the main pack. I can't get it open.
All right.
Try this side. Oh my god, this is so difficult. I'm gonna need this.
Can I help you?
Sure, I can't open this. It's impossible. Oh, thank you. Okay, don't look. So, first card, Brad Marchand, 43 249,
Wow.
Black Diamond.
Show me. Nice.
Second card, we got a Jumbo Evgeny Shneshnikov. I can't pronounce his name. Jumbo's team logo.
Cool card.
Wow.
We got a Triple Diamond Relics rookie Matt Murray card.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's really rare. Save that one. Got a Jack Eichel 45/149 Sabres card, Real Pass. Got a Victor Rask 137/149 Black Diamond.
Nice.
Got a final card. Rookie Gems, Owen Tippett of the Florida Panthers. 50/399.
Nice.
Wow.
And that is the pack. Thanks.